Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create an account on MEXC Global. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to the official MEXC website. And now that you're here, you should see this sign up button right here. So what you will just have to do is click sign up. And once you've clicked sign up, you will just have to enter your email or phone number and create a strong password. Complete the captcha verification and click register. And by the way, before doing this, you have to make sure that your country actually supports MEXC exchange so that you will be able to actually create your account. And then after completing your CAPTCHA, again, you will just have to click register and then you will check your email and verify your account with a confirmation link. And then what you will have to do after that, you will just have to log in and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.